Have quite a few of them.
You knew about your warrants?
Oh man, I'm battling Missouri.
Sounds like failure to appear. These are Illinois warrants.
Can I get my phone so I can make a phone call?
Absolutely, you can. We'll get it for you. What kind of phone is it?
It's right there.
Oh, the one you had? Okay. Yeah, let me adjust these. South Command 84, can you confirm we have him detained? Let's go to the back of my car. This one.
November 9th, 2025, Illinois. A seemingly simple traffic stop quickly turned into a serious arrest. When the officer ran a paperwork check, he noticed a mismatch between the driver's Missouri address and Illinois license plate. And seconds later, things escalated beyond that.
Boy 10005003.
B10,000, 5,000.
Is that's Illinois, correct?
No, that's Missouri.
Okay, why didn't you tell me that? You gotta tell me that.
The address was Missouri. That's
South Command 84. He says it's out of Missouri.
Oh, shit.
So where is their insurance? Also in the trunk?
No, the insurance in the phone just keep dying. Because registration, matter of fact, can I go
Yeah,
there?
good.
We can charge it. Shit is cold. This is the title. Fuck.
Maybe. You have cannabis over there, sir?
Cannabis, where?
On the dash over there?
Yeah, that's true. Oh, shit. Nah, ain't nothing in here but trash. Ain't shit in here, see?
Okay, let me see that really quick. Because I just saw you. Okay.
Right on the dashboard, the police found a tray of marijuana. The driver admitted to smoking in the car the night before, but that wasn't the worst of it. A background check revealed multiple arrest warrants from Illinois for failing to appear in court.
Shit in here.
So what did you smoke here?
I smoked in the car last night.
Okay,
But-
cannabis, right?
Yeah, from the dispensary.
Is there any more cannabis in here?
No, sir. Ain't nothing else.
You know you're not supposed to smoke in the car, right?
It was parked at the house. And I forgot to put the tray back.
Okay. All right, sir, go ahead, step out.
May I ask why?
Because we saw cannabis you just put out.
But that's been here, sir. And plus, it's
Stand
not...
by. Just put your hands in the car. Any weapons on you? What's that, like, okay, just don't reach for anything, okay? Just checking for more cannabis because you had some cannabis on you. In your car, I mean. What is this? Carmex, that's what I wanted to say. Okay. Just step with those officers over there. South Command 84, go ahead.
Valid. Out of Poplar Bluff, Missouri. Out of Illinois, showing Brenda out of Broadview. Showing 99. Could you please tell me, did it exercise 99? Out of Will County, the title, failure to appear.
So far. Okay, I'll just go 95. There we go. I'll just go 95, excuse me. So you're under arrest, you have multiple warrants, okay? Have quite a few of them.
You knew about your warrants?
Oh, man. I'm battling Missouri.
Sounds like failure to appear. These are Illinois warrants.
Wow. Can I get my phone so I can make a phone call?
Absolutely, you can. We'll get it for you. What kind of phone is it?
It's right there.
Oh, the one you had? Okay. Yeah, let me adjust these. South Command 84, can you confirm we have him detained? Let's go to the back of my car. This one right here. The other side. We'll go. Okay. These are keys to this car. Well, you had this with you. How come you didn't show me this?
That's a work ID.
Yeah, but it still has your name on it, you know.
I thought you needed a way.
Here, let me. What else? Hold on for a second.
You said it should sit this out.
It's not a big deal, but you'll have to take care of those warrants. You know? Okay, hop in.
John, 4, Robert, 4, George, 9, Boy, Charles, 545, 729.
Yeah, let me put some heat on for you. So long as they come back confirmed, we'll just tow the car.
Yep.
Just in case they say it's not valid or something. Let me drop this out.
Huh? Decent size.
Oh, I'm sure. Well, he has to have a FOID if he's Illinois resident. What if he's Missouri resident? Yeah.
good.
Uh-huh. This is it.
Tom. Oh, look at that chain, boy. You know, dude, what is that? He has this. Dude, we're find some other stuff. Small. This looks like a white problem.
Yeah, I don't know.
Another shell back here.
Where's the shotgun then? I can fix it. So where were they?
While preparing to tow the car, officers discovered 3 shotgun shell casings hidden in the back pocket. Although the driver claimed the gun was at his uncle's house in Missouri, carrying ammunition without a permit made the situation more serious. He was immediately read his Miranda rights for further investigation.
Just back here on the
In the trunk.
Okay.
Right side of the trunk.
Nice bag.
Yeah, that's what I said. Nice bag. No shotgun. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, I know.
You get in Illinois as soon as you can. You're supposed to put it like in the trunk in a case, just assembled.
Yeah.
Obviously, we didn't find a firearm. And the most would be a misdemeanor. You know, I'd maybe Miranda him and just ask him, dude, what's
Yeah.
up with these shotgun shells? You know,
Yeah.
and then
I'll do it right now.
yeah.
Alright, so I gotta read something to you really quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court of law or other proceedings. You have the right to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights, not to answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand your rights?
Yeah.
Okay, so we found 3 shotgun shells in there. What's going on with that?
Oh man, that is for my gun.
For your gun?
Yeah, and I told you I was in the process of moving.
The car was towed, and the driver was detained on multiple warrants and facing additional charges for marijuana and ammunition. What went from a paperwork stop to 3 major charges in a matter of minutes. That's why police never take the little things lightly.
Where's your gun at?
It's at home.
Which is in Missouri?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have a permit in Missouri?
Yes.
Okay, do you have it here with you in the car somewhere?
No.
Okay, but you do have, you don't have a permit with you, but you have shotgun shells with you. You know what that looks like.
Yeah, I know. I was planning on taking everything out the truck. I was coming home from work.
Okay. Okay. So what you're saying is the shotgun is not in the truck.
It's not in there.
It's your home in Missouri.
Yes.
Okay. Who stays there in Missouri right now? Is it
Uncle.
your uncle? Okay. All right. How many shells do you remember having in there?
I honestly have no idea. I just grabbed everything that was mine and I left.
Okay. Do you have like a picture of your permit anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it.